Hey everyone, my name is Ariel and today is going to be half of a Is It Worth It, Let Me Work It video and half of a first impressions type of video. We are trying the Amrezy highlighter with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so excited. I've had this for a while now, and if you saw my last beauty haul, I did feature this in there, and I'm surprised like I didn't open it. I haven't opened it. I wanted to wait till I was on camera, and here we go. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let me show it to you first, as if you haven't seen it already, but this is what it looks like. And I like that it has that like muted rose gold. It's not like super pink, but it's not gold. I love such a good job on it. So this is the wave, Amra. So this is the wave. Okay. Okay. This is honestly the most beautiful highlight I have ever seen. Like, what? Wow. I did my full face already. I just didn't put any highlighter on. I used a different contour today and I feel like it's a little bit too cool, so let's just try to excuse that for a moment. Back to this. I honestly am at a loss of words right now. This is insane. I just want you to look at all of this dimension. Just take all of this in right now. This is gorgeous in every single shape, way, and form. And I haven't even swatched it yet. I just realized I've been going on and I haven't even touched it. Okay. Alright. Are you ready? I can't. It's so beautiful. The thought of me just indenting this from using it as much as I know I'm going to use it just hurts a little bit right here. Good Lord. It just melts right into your skin. I can't, like, this is crazy. So to apply this on my face today, I felt like it was only appropriate to use this big baby right here. This is the number 16 Deluxe Fan Brush from ABH Cosmetics. This has like almost no fallout. This is the money shot right here. This is the money shot. Hold on, let me get all my frizzy hair out the way. What? Girl, bring my cheekbones up to the sky. Okay, let's do this side. Oh my God. I'm gonna put this everywhere. I'm gonna take a smaller brush now, dip it right in there, and put it on my Cupid's bow. And we're just gonna highlight the whole face today. Look at this glow. The tip of the nose, and I'm contouring my nose a little bit differently nowadays, so I apply my highlight on my nose a little bit differently. Down the bridge right here. Jesus. We're also going to apply it in the inner corner right here and here. Take that huge fan brush again and pop that right where the arch of the brow is. Just make it pop a little bit. Just taking some bronzer and popping that in my crease. I'm not doing anything crazy today, and it's currently like 6 something in the morning, and I just had to film this for you guys because I could not wait. I'm gonna hit this brush a little bit with some setting spray just to see what it looks like on the wetter side of life. we're gonna put that right into... I'm having like a brain fart right now, and I almost stabbed myself in the eye. Tear duct. It's like goldeny, but it's not goldeny. It's like right in between of like cool and warm. It has like just the perfect mixture of both. So even though I'm wearing gray right now, like I feel like I could, it doesn't clash. Honestly, if I didn't know who she was, if I didn't know anything about Anastasia Beverly Hills, if I didn't know anything about anything, and someone said, hey, this is $28, do you want to buy it? I would look at it, I'd hold it. Yes, I would pay even more for this, to be honest. I feel like I'm just glistening from within in a very extra type of way. I definitely think that this is worth it. This is such a beautiful highlight. There's barely any fallout. Like this fan brush is a little diesel, okay? So, you know, when I was going in there, like I just saw little specks, but nothing insane. It has the right weight to it that it feels expensive. Amra, you did it. You did this all the way. So that wraps up this video. I know it was a quick one, but I feel like this product deserved to have its own video. I just think that it's just such an amazing thing, especially when you watch someone or you see someone just glow the F up. I hope that you guys got something out of it. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below, and if you're going to be interested in buying this highlighter, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, that way you get notified whenever I post a video, so you don't end up not seeing it like it's happening to a lot of people. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. I hate you so much. Stop it. You make me feel so uncomfortable. Hey. I'm doing the work. Okay, he went into the bathroom. Let me finish up really quick. And I can hear his pee stream. Like, don't forget. Wait, can you stay in the bathroom for like 2 more seconds?
Just go.
No, can you just stay in the bathroom?